Tired of your phone slipping off your car mount? The Magnetic Phone Mount Replacement Kit promises a secure, reliable hold for any device. Whether you drive an iPhone, Android, or tablet user, these metal magnetic plates stick firmly and keep your phone exactly where you want it during every trip. What sets this kit apart is the strength behind its design. Crafted with heat-resistant, automotive-grade adhesive, these metal plates stay put even in hot or cold environments. That means no unexpected drops or shaky rides, just a solid grip that you can trust every time you hit the road. Compatibility is never an issue here. These metal plates come in multiple sizes to fit everything from compact phones to larger tablets. You can stick them directly on your device or attach them to your phone case, making the kit versatile enough for any setup you prefer. One thoughtful detail you'll appreciate is the protective film included in the kit. Acting like a double-sided sticky pad, it allows you to mount and remove the metal plate without leaving residue or damaging your phone's surface. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in convenience and device care. Inside the kit, you'll find large and small magic plates, the protective film, and an online user manual to guide you through installation. This all-in-one package makes upgrading or replacing your magnetic phone mount hassle-free and straightforward. Customers across the U.S. praise the kit for its durability and ease of use. Many mention how perfect it is for switching phones without the frustration of losing adhesion. The strong hold paired with easy removability has made it a favorite among drivers who rely on magnetic mounts daily. Plus, buying this kit means buying with confidence. It's backed by Scotia's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty, ensuring you get reliable service and peace of mind long after your purchase. That kind of support speaks volumes about the product's quality and the company's commitment. If you're ready to upgrade your car phone setup or need a dependable replacement, this magnetic phone mount replacement kit is worth a look. It's designed to keep your device secure, protect your phone, and fit seamlessly with any magnetic mount. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free driving with your phone always within reach.